I'm Virginia Rolling, and I'm with the Consumer and Design Sciences Department. My research is on investigating the fur controversy using cognitive dissonance theory. This is a grant-funded research, which is very important because it talks about actually the fur industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It actually, unfortunately, electrocutes animals, it skins alive animals, and it's a very horrific situation. So because of that, in the last few months, we've seen Gucci, Michael Kors, many luxury brands just switch. They've said, we're not going to do this anymore. We're going to go faux fur. So going faux fur has created another conundrum. And in doing that, it's created this problem where we're making more textiles out of plastics. And plastics are really seeping into our water system. We're ingesting them, if you're not aware of that. And it's also depleting our ozone layer. They're not going to biodegrade very quickly. It's going to be over 100 years, and it's going to be here for a long time. Future generations are going to have this problem. So we really have to look at this a little closely. And so this research really proposes to look at particularly millennials, Millennials are purchasers of luxury. They're also very pro-environmental. So these folks are the ones that are going to be able to discern and kind of tell us, you know, is this going to be the right route? Am I going to purchase a faux fur, or am I going to purchase more of an animal fur? What's going to be better for the environment? Because these people really want to see more of an environmental impact that's not going to hurt the future. So this research proposes to use cognitive dissonance theory. And cognitive dissonance theory really looks at the challenges when you get information that is opposing to each other. So if someone's presented with all of the information, say you find out about the animal that's going to get slaughtered versus, wow, we're going to have this immense amount of plastic in our landfills, what do you think? What should we do? What would you buy? This is what this research tackles. Thank you very much.